Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this super nice and shimmery makeup look. Super easy. I just use one basically eyeshadow. It's a cream pigment from the brand Hikari. Let me get it right now. Here it is. It's in the color Envy. You can guys go ahead and go to HikariCosmetics.com if I'm not mistaken, and this retails for $17. They are super buttery. As you guys can see in the video, I'll be using one of my fingers to apply it, and then I will be blending just with one brush the edges so it doesn't look like too structured, let's say, a little more blended. Let me show you the color. Obviously you guys can see it in my eyes, but here's the color. I'm gonna give you a little swatch. I'm gonna do 3 swirls in the pot. 2, 3, and here it's the color. It is, for me, I see it in maybe in two different tones. Maybe it's like a dirty gold, or like a millet. I would say between a green and a dirty gold. That's my guess. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm right. And for the inner corner highlights, let me get it right now. I use this highlighter from the brand State, and the color is Do Me and Lit. It's the one that is using super bright. As you can see, it's a really bright gold. Let me give you guys a swatch. 1, 2, 3. I'm not applying a lot of pressure, so you guys know. Here's the color, and this is what I have right here. And obviously I will type down all the details, all the products that I use for this makeup look. I'm going to be using this exact makeup look for a review of one of my subscription boxes. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Keep on watching. I know it's a kind of long intro, but that's it. I will see you guys after the video. this is the makeup video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead, I will leave the details from my IG. Go ahead and go follow my page, subscribe if you guys enjoy my content, and I will be uploading this makeup look and a review. So hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys on the next one.